Hey, meal prep enthusiasts, it's Ria, and today we're tackling one of the biggest struggles of busy weekdays, getting meals on the table and making them healthy. If you're anything like me, time is limited, but your health is top priority. So today, I'm sharing some game-changing meal prep tips to make your weekdays smoother, healthier, and stress-free. Okay, firstly, why is meal prep so essential? Well, it's all about saving time, reducing stress, and making sure you're eating nourishing meals even when life gets chaotic. Plus, prepping your meals in advance means you can enjoy healthier options, avoid the temptation of takeout, and stick to your goals, all while saving money. So, if you're ready to streamline your week and make meal prep a breeze, let's dive in. Tip 1. Make a meal plan and stick to it. This is key to making your meal prep successful. Take 10 minutes every week to plan out your meals, what you're making, what ingredients you need, and when you'll prep them. Once you've got your plan, it's shopping time. Stick to your grocery list to avoid impulse buys and ensure you have everything you need. This will save you time at the store and keep you on track throughout the week. All right, tip number 2. Keep it simple and stick to a theme. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to create a 5-course meal every single day. Pick a few simple, versatile recipes and rotate them throughout the week. For example, try having a grain bowl theme where you cook up some rice or quinoa and then add different proteins, veggies, and sauces every day. It'll keep things exciting without too much effort. Here's the secret. Batch cook your grains, proteins, and roasted veggies all at once. Then, when it's time for lunch or dinner, all you need to do is assemble the bowl and add your favorite dressing or sauce. Tip number 3. Pre-chop your veggies and fruits. It may seem like a small step, but trust me, it saves so much time later in the week. Plus, when your produce is already chopped and ready to go, you'll be more likely to grab it when you're hungry instead of reaching for junk food. Store your veggies and fruits in airtight containers to keep them fresh, and even pre-make snack bags for easy grab-and-go options. This is a total game changer when you're short on time but still want to eat fresh. Tip 4. Prep your proteins in bulk. Cook a big batch of chicken tofu or even a slow-cooked chicken roast at the start of the week. Once it's ready, you can add it to salads, wraps, grain bowls, or just have it on its own with a side of veggies. I like to grill, bake, or sauté my proteins and then store them in individual portions so I can just grab one when it's time to eat. You can even season them differently so each day feels like a new meal. Now, for tip number 5, don't forget about your freezer. Some of your meals and ingredients can be prepped and frozen for later in the week. For example, soups, chili, or even cooked grains like quinoa can be frozen in individual portions, so you don't have to worry about them going bad. Freezing meals not only saves you time, but it also ensures you always have something nutritious on hand when you're in a pinch. I love having a few frozen meals stashed away for those crazy busy days when I just can't cook. So, there you have it. 5 simple tips to make meal prepping easy and stress-free. With just a little effort at the start of the week, you can enjoy healthy, delicious meals all week long without the hassle. Now, what are your favorite meal prep tips? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips and recipes. All right, foodies, until next time, stay organized, stay healthy, and let's make those busy weekdays a little easier.